Good day, everybody. Today I'm going to be looking more on Zoom. So I'm going to call this video part 3, Zoom part 3. I'm going to be looking at how you can create breakout rooms in Zoom, and this may be beneficial to persons who have different types of learners and you want to have breakout rooms to really facilitate them better. I will also show you how you can utilize the whiteboard in Zoom, which will allow you to properly facilitate a class where the brainstorm strategy can be used or will be used. I will also look at some other features in it, like the annotate, how you can change your mouse to spotlight. So before I do all of that though, I'm going to remind you to subscribe, like, share, comment, and remember guys to watch the ads. First thing I'm going to be looking at is how to create your breakout room. So I'm going to type zoom.us in my browser, and then I am going to click on sign in. Then I am going to log in. To set up your breakout room, you have to click on the settings option, which is on your left hand side, where you will find profile, meetings, webinars, recordings. You will see settings. When you scroll down to the bottom of your screen, you will be looking for breakout rooms, of course. So while you're scrolling down, you're looking for breakout room option. Alright, so here we are. So this allows hosts to split meeting participants into separate smaller rooms. So we're going to turn this on, and then that's how you go about creating your breakout room. Alright, I am going to now, if you notice a while ago, a message came up to say that your settings have been updated. I am now going to log into Zoom and show you how it works. When I log in, you will see that another option is there, which is the breakout room, and that's where you normally go to facilitate your different classes or different learning abilities, if that's the case, or if that's the reason you are creating breakout rooms. So what I did, I logged in so that I can show you your new option, which is called breakout rooms. So where you have security, participants, chat, share screen, resume, stop recording, because I had to stop the recording just now since I'm not doing a recording. You will see breakout rooms right beside it. So that's where you'll go. You'll click on it and the dialog box will come up. It is showing you where you can select how many rooms you want, how many breakout rooms you want. So you can select, say you want 3 breakout rooms, you can select 3. You can automatically assign the participants, or you can do it manually yourself. All right, and you will see the other things coming in play. When you are through, you will select create rooms, and there you will have your breakout rooms where you can facilitate each group as how you would want to facilitate it. The next thing I want to show you how to do is how you use annotate and spotlight, or to highlight your mouse in your share screen section, and also how to use your whiteboard. So to do that, you have to click on share screen. So when you open it, you will see basic, advanced, and files. Under basic, you will notice you're seeing whiteboard. When you click on whiteboard, you are going to click on Share Next. Then you will see all the options there. You can click on text and be able to type text. A text box will come up and you can type whatever text you want to type. You can change the color if you want as well. You can draw if you want to draw, and other things are there that you can do. The spotlight, now I want to show you how you can use the spotlight to highlight your mouse. When you click on it, you can click on the one that you want, which is this one I want. So if you notice, a red halo is around my mouse. So if I want to direct you and to keep your attention to where I'm moving my mouse pointer, it will be so beneficial. So you can't lose your way, or you can't lose the mouse pointer once the highlight is around it. If you notice, I'm moving all over the place, and once I move it, it follows it, so you know exactly where to look. All right, so that's it, guys. That is how you go about using the annotation, creating breakout rooms, using the whiteboard on the share screen, and things like that in Zoom, which can help to improve your delivery when you're using Zoom to teach or to have or host a meeting. So thank you again for sticking with me. I'm going to remind you to subscribe, like, share, comment, and remember, guys, to watch the ads. Bye, guys.